Hey, it's Christian back again with another video. Today I wanted to talk about why I decided to start and build an AI agency. If you don't know, I ran a social media marketing agency for about 5 years where we specialize in Facebook and Google ads, and we also did website development. But within the past year, I've been focusing strictly on AI. And the reason why I started focusing on AI is because it was more scalable. Now, with your traditional social media marketing agency with just Facebook and Google ads, all you're really doing is just getting leads for businesses. Now, a lot of the times with these leads that you generate for businesses, you just have a lead opt-in and then the name, phone number, and email. You give it over to the business owner, and then it's their job to call the lead, follow up with the lead to book an appointment. And it was successful. I had a lot of success with it, especially with my Google ad clients who we would normally do a call only ad campaign where people would call from Google and the business owner would have to book and qualify and do all that over the phone themselves. But when AI came around, it was just an opportunity. It was just something I just couldn't refuse to do. And it was so new. And at the time, it's like, what can I do to make my client's life easier? What can I do to be able to scale and position myself as a leader within the industry? And then that's when the AI came to mind. How can I qualify the leads for my clients and book them directly into my client's calendar, fully automated? And then this huge light bulb just went off in my head. So what we started to do is we started to talk to our clients and see where their pain points were and some of the areas where they really need more help with. And one of the main areas where my clients had their issues is with speed to lead. So they weren't able to reach out to leads fast enough due to working on other projects and just being bogged down in the day-to-day life of their business. So when you're having people messaging you on Instagram, Facebook, and even through your website, submitting inquiries and having questions about services that you offer, it sometimes takes a long time to get back to them. And with that being said, you're losing appointments and you're losing business due to speed to lead. Even though they want to take on those new clients, they're just not able to. So that's when we started to take on the role of qualifying the leads using our AI sales system. For every person who opts in through their website, through Instagram, Facebook Messenger, all those inbound leads, we take those leads and we put it through our AI sales system to qualify them, to make sure they're a good fit, and to book them directly into our calendar. And then we also were able to kick out the tire kickers and the people who are wasting time asking questions, you're just shopping around. And we're able to save our customers so much time by being able to do that for them. We're able to take care of 20, 30 leads at a time, 24/7, around the clock, while the business owner is sleeping, working, so they can just focus on the business. So that's one of the best things that we've been doing, and that's why I decided to stick with AI and scale AI and start an AI agency, because that's where the world is going. And now we even have voice AI. Either if you have 1, 2, 3, 4 employees, with the voice AI, we're able to qualify the leads and then book them directly through your phone. Whenever someone calls into a business and the business owner may not be around, we have the AI voice that's able to answer the call from a client, see what they need, and then book them directly into the business owner's calendar by just telling them their name and email, and then automatically book them directly into their calendar. So as you can see, within 5, 6 years from now, imagine where this is all going to be. I want to help scale business all over the world using AI and being able to make their life so much easier and more efficient. So that's why I chose to run an AI agency over a traditional SMMA agency, social media marketing.